all of my returning viewers, the background has changed once again. If I change the background in every video, would that distract some of you guys, or are you here for it? Because I kind of want to play around with everything. Also, look at how cute Hermione and her polyjuice potion is. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today we're gonna be going through my Boxy Charm. So I decided for this year I'm gonna be changing up my Boxy Charm videos. I'm gonna be doing the setup a little different. I like doing unboxings, but I do like try-ons as well, so I'm kind of doing a combination of the two. So basically, I already opened my box because I wanted to see what I was getting, and all of the items that were in the box that I could use on my face today, I went ahead and used, and I did film using those. So while I'm talking about the products individually, I'll be showing the clips of me using them, and then I can talk about whether I like them, what I think about them, all at once. Now, before I jump into January's Boxy Charm box, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do upload every single day, Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. PST. So if you're interested in more Boxy Charm unboxings, if you like project pans, if you like get ready with me's, if you like anything like that, I do all kinds of stuff on this channel and I would love to have you, so definitely make sure to hit that button before we get any further. And now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into January's Boxy Charm. So if you don't know what Boxy Charm is, I feel like most people probably understand the concept, but it is a subscription box. You pay $21 a month for a box and you usually get 4 to 5 full-sized items, I believe. Maybe it's 4 to 6, something like that. But it is $21 for the box every month and you get a bunch of awesome products typically. This month's theme was boxy and chill. I think this is such a cute little theme. I like the aesthetic of the entire box. We did get 5 full-size products in this month's box and they all pretty much retail for the same amount or more than we paid for the box. So I think overall value-wise, we got a really good value out of this month. So we're gonna start off with the items that I wasn't able to use on my face today. We did receive 2 items, or 3 items technically, in the box that I wasn't able to really use today. I guess one of them, I mean, I could have used them, but I didn't work it in. But I am really excited about both of these. I will start with the one that I was most excited to see in the box, which were these guys. We actually received 2 Tatcha face masks in this box, or I did. I forgot to tell you guys, I have variation number 1 of this box, and I think everyone got these though. From what I've seen, everyone has gotten 2 Tatcha Dewy Skin Masks. I am so excited about this. I have only tried like one thing from Tatcha because it's so expensive and I love sheet masks, but these sheet masks, guys, retail for $12 each. So we received 2 in this box, which is a value of $24, which means we already have an excess value of $3 that we didn't even pay for, which is incredible. I think any box that has Tatcha in it, especially things that are of this value, I think is incredible. I would have been happy with just these items in the box. These are something I'm definitely looking forward to using. I might use one tomorrow night. I feel like these just scream a spa day to me, like a self-care spa day. So I will definitely be doing one of these on like a bath night where I'm drinking wine and trying to like watch a romantic movie or something. That just screams this to me. Packaging wise, it's really nice. Tatcha is just a great brand to get. It's a luxury brand and I'm super floored about these. The next item we got is another one that I didn't technically use today, but I really kind of wanted to, but my hair has been up already, so I didn't want to spray this on my bun. And that is the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Now we actually, did I say cream? Conditioning spray. Now we actually received one of these Briogeo sprays, I think 2 or 3 months ago. I was already living in this apartment, so I think it had to be within 2 to 3 months ago, and I actually just finished it and I was actually going to purchase this. So I'm so glad I like waited and didn't order this. Briogeo is a cruelty-free hair care brand, which makes me really, really happy because you guys know I've gone cruelty-free, and right now I think one of my issues is finding good cruelty-free brands. I've tried a few that don't work for my hair, so this is one that definitely works for my hair, and I'm really excited that we got this. This retails for $12 for this size. There are larger sizes of this that retail for more. I'm glad that it's something that's good quality. It's something that came in the box. It's not as much as of the value of the box, but with the Tatcha face masks, we're already at a value of $15 that we haven't technically spend our own money on, is the way I always think about it. I always think about value. This is something that will definitely get used in my collection. So far, the first 2 items that we've received in this box are things that I'm definitely going to use and I will get the full value out of. I'm so excited. So now to bring it back down a little bit, I'm going to be talking about the item that I'm least excited about in this box, and I'm least excited about it for multiple reasons. So this item is the $1 Billion Brows Pencil. This is a universal color, so of course you would think it's going to be a brown or a taupe. They've done this before and I'm surprised they did it again, where they try to throw in a universal brow pencil, and while it does work for me, I'm not unaware that it's not gonna work for everyone. There's no such thing as a universal brow color because some people have black hair, some people have blonde hair. It's not gonna work, and for me, I don't actually think it works that well. This retails for $18, which I find very expensive. I would rather just get an Anastasia Brow Wiz for that price, but overall, it's a nice pencil. The spoolie on the end is a little scratchy in my opinion, and I don't particularly care for how thick the actual brow pencil is. I do like that it's retractable. The only thing about retractable pencils that I don't end up liking is when you first use them, the point is beautiful and perfect, but the point of course gets worn away, and because it's retractable, there's no way to really sharpen it again. So that's the only thing about retractable pencils, but I do enjoy that I don't have to sharpen this. The formula feels good too. It's nice and creamy. The main thing I don't like about this pencil is, I think you can see it in the application, I think you can probably see it right now, is the undertone of this is not a universal tone. The undertone in this is red, and on my skin tone, I feel like red-based eyebrow pencils are so obvious. It pulls very warm on my skin tone, and for that, I don't think I'm gonna be able to really use this on its own. I think I'm gonna have to mix this with something else to get it used, because I think overall the formula is really nice. I've only been wearing it for about an hour at this point, so I'm really not sure about longevity. Definitely my least favorite item in the box. They can't win them all, I guess. The next item is one that I got super pumped to see. I actually had a spoiler on Boxy Charm's Instagram page with this, but there were 3 different versions of this palette going out, and I mean, I've already said it. There's an eyeshadow palette in this box this month, and it's one of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palettes, and I was really excited because I love the way these palettes look, and it's these little guys. So I got the one with like peacock feathers on it, almost is what it looks like to me, at least, is little peacock feathers. These retail for $38, and it is a round palette with an assortment of shades in it, the majority being shimmer shades. Mine has 2 matte shades right here, which I don't even find them that matte. I find them more of like a satin. This would probably be a better accent palette no matter what. I don't think this is a full look palette in any way, but I'm the kind of person that usually pulls from 2 to 3 palettes for every eye look anyways, unless I'm like really rushing and doing like a 2 shadow look. Overall, this was my first experience with Tarte shadows. I think for that, they do blend really well. I think they're pigmented enough, and I think overall, they're beautiful shades. My only gripe with this is the assortment is a little weird for me, and I wish there was a more vibrant, light-toned shimmer. I think overall, I do like my eye look today. I think it's a beautiful, natural, everyday look, but I do wish there was a little bit more of a light toned shimmer to really pop in this palette. I am actually really happy to have this in my collection. Do I think it's extraordinary and mind-blowing? No, but am I happy to get this in a subscription box? Heck yeah, because this is more expensive than what I paid for the box. Regardless of what I've said, so far everything that we've gotten in this box has been really good, except for the eyebrow pencil. So for me, I've already gotten my money's worth. This is all about the experience to me. It's a subscription box. It's supposed to be a surprise. So for me, I'm happy. I'm really happy. And then last item we received in this box is probably the one I'm most excited about, even though I haven't even been wearing liquid lipsticks that much. But there was also 3 different options for the box this time around for lipstick colors. We could either get an Ofra one, a Bite one, or a Smith & Co. company, a Smith & something liquid lipstick. It was by a brand I had never heard of. I was lucky enough to receive the Ofra one. This one and the Bite one were the one I was really aiming for, but more so this one because I saw that it was the color Miami Fever, and I think some people got Havana Nights. I think there was varying colors too. So I was really excited to see this. I love this color. These are definitely tones I like. I like this burnt orange, terracotta, earthy color. I love it. Now we have received Ofra in Boxy Charms before, but we have never received one with the new packaging. We received one a few months ago in the old packaging, and I prefer this one. I actually thought I didn't like Ofra's new packaging as much, but I definitely prefer this so much better than the old packaging, and I love this color. These retail for $20, so again, like, this is great value in the box, and this is a color I will wear all the time. If you didn't receive this color in the box and you don't want to spend $20 on this, I actually had another lipstick in my collection that's not the same. It's not an exact dupe, but I think the overall feeling is really similar, and it was this one. This is one of the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lips. This is in the color Mama, and it's a burnt orange color. I'll swatch these two next to each other. So here is Mama by ColourPop, and it's like, again, a nice burnt orange. On the lips, I feel like these look identical. Swatched next to each other, you can definitely tell there's a little bit of a difference, but if you are looking to get a color similar to this color, but you don't want to spend the $20, these are close. So this one is Ofra, and this one is the ColourPop one. As you can see, the ColourPop one is more vibrant, but I feel like on the lips, you can't tell that much of a difference. All you would need to do with the ColourPop one is throw down a brown lip liner, and you would basically have this exact color. And with ColourPop's new Ultra Matte formula, I feel like they're comparable. I will say Ofra overall has been a lot more comfortable than the ColourPop ones. I think these colors are similar enough, so if you didn't get this one in your box and you're really bummed about it, this is a good alternative without spending a ton of money. This is probably one of my favorite things in the box. This is probably one of my more favorite things that we've ever gotten in a box, because it's like the first lip color that's been different and works for me. Like, I don't think we've ever gotten a burnt orange, or at least I don't remember getting a burnt orange color in a Boxy Charm. Super excited about that. You will be seeing a lot of that lipstick, I am sure. Alright guys, so that is everything that came in my January 2019 Boxy Charm. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, if you get Boxy Charm, let me know in the comments what your favorite item was in your box this month. Hopefully that means you all hit that subscribe button, and I will see all of you in tomorrow's video. Bye!